Hello and welcome. If you want to learn AWS to just pass exam, these videos are not for you. If you are looking for shortcut, then these videos are not for you. If you really want to become expert, if you want to pass exam as well as pass interview, then you are on the right place. I am just giving you one simple example why I am telling you. Let's say that we are learning AWS CloudFront right now. Now when we are creating CloudFront distribution, we are getting all these options. Throughout this series of CloudFront, I explain you all these options carefully. I explain you what is origin, what is default cache behavior, and what are the use cases of each and every options that we have here. Same way, I am going to explain you setting options right now. So let's start.
In 2024, you should need to learn Docker. But why? To get the answer, join our free upcoming webinar. Link is in description. Book your seat now. Thank you.
After completing function associations, I am directly jumping to the settings. I am skipping this particular option of web application firewall. Why? Because web application firewall is a different service in AWS, and when we will discuss about security services of AWS, definitely I will explain you web application firewall as well. Right now, I don't want to give you a simple overview and just going to close this topic. No. We will understand firewall, then web application firewall, differences between all of them, and how we can use this with the CloudFront in upcoming days. So right now, I'm just going to skip this. Then we have settings tab. Now in the settings tab, I already explained you about price class, CNAME, custom SSL. If you don't know anything about it, no need to worry about this. You can start with this playlist. Start from the video number 1 to this particular video. You will understand all these options. Now here, in this video, we are going to talk about 2 points, supported HTTP versions and default root object. So, let's start with the mind map. The first option we have is supported HTTP versions. When configuring CloudFront distribution, you have option to specify which version of HTTP protocol you want to support. If you are not going to select anything from here, it will support HTTP version 1.0 and HTTP 1.1. Better version, if you are going for the higher version, definitely it will provide you better quality. So if you are going to select these two, it would be always better. Now let me explain you the differences. HTTP version 1.0 and 1.1 are supported by default. The options typically includes HTTP 2 and 3, both of which offer significant performance and security benefits over older HTTP 1.1 protocols. So selecting them will be the good deal. CloudFront will automatically use the best version supported by the viewer's browser or client. Now this is the most important part. Let's say that if I am going to select HTTP 2 here, it is not like it will forcefully provide HTTP 2 to the users. No. We have now 4 options compatibility available. If I am going to select these two, HTTP version 1.1, 1.1, HTTP 2 and HTTP 3. Now, whenever user will open website, the CloudFront will verify that, okay, which version of HTTP supported by user's browser, and then according to this, CloudFront will serve them. So if your browser is modern browser and if HTTP 2 is supported, CloudFront will provide you HTTP 2 version. If it is not there, no need to worry, you will get HTTP version 1.1. So it is always good deal to provide better version to the users. So in this case, if you are going to select both of this, no need to worry about this, right? Because it is totally dependent on the compatibility of user's browser. HTTP 2. HTTP 2 is an upgrade over HTTP 1.1 and it is widely supported by modern browsers. It improves the speed and efficiency by enabling multiplexing and header compression. Then we have HTTP 3 as well. Takes this improvement further by using QIC QUIC and DUDP, offering even lower latency and improved performance, especially on an unstable network. So it is actually performing way better than HTTP 1.1 if you are having a unstable network. So selecting this would be the better choice. Now it is up to you which option you should select, but yes, always go with the HTTP 2 because HTTP 2 is now supported by most of the modern browsers. Then we have another option known as default root object. Sometime I'm only going theoretical, but sometime practical would be the better choice. So what I am doing right now, I am going to explain you default root options practically. Once you will understand this practically, then there is no need to go with the theory. But still we will look at this particular mind map point. Now let's understand default root object practically. See here, I have one distribution. In this particular distribution, I am using S3 bucket as an origin, not S3 static website. I have S3 bucket as an origin, not S3 static website. Okay, so look at this. Here I have one bucket, okay, which is actually origin of this particular distribution. Now I created distribution, everything is good, but if I'm going to open URL, let me open through the incognito. See, I'm getting access deny error. Now what is the problem here? The problem is CloudFront is correctly configured, but the problem with the CloudFront is not able to find out root object. Root object means CloudFront don't know which object to open first when user is going to open website using CloudFront URL. Now, I'm going to give you one example. Look at this. Here I have, sorry, I know that you want to watch full video, but full video is now not available on YouTube. If you want to watch full video, I want you to go to our website. When you will go to our website, you will find out our course 100 Days YouTube Challenge. I want you to enroll for this course by paying only 499 rupees for lifetime if you are from India. If you are from outside of India, you just need to pay $7 US. Once you will enroll to this course, you are going to get all full videos over there on our portal. You are also going to get certificate after completing the course, and we have just uploaded 120 videos. We are going to upload another 120 videos as well. So there will be total 240 videos. I hope we are going to meet inside the class. Thank you very much.